Welcome to Friday. What a better way to end the week than with a Science Friday activity for you. So my goal is to make Fridays a little less content specific and a little more fun. So to stay on that theme, in my vision for how our weeks will unfold, I'm going to have you working from the website Science Friday. I'm going to show you that website in just a second. I'm going to have you working from there because there are 3 options of things that you can do. One of them is conducting a mucus experiment. Yes, I said mucus, snot, boogers, that fun stuff. And that's just only talking primarily about humans, but you'll see that the website highlights more than just that. So you have a hands-on experiment here. It does parallel what we did last week with the slime experiment. So if you did create slime last week, you'll see that one of the parts to this experiment then you've already completed. Lucky for you. And then there is a slime mucus model, and the last one is mucus in nature. So that's where we explore outside of humans with some organisms that are gross. I don't know how else to put it, guys. Anyway, so those are the 3 options that you'll see on the website. Like I said, I'll switch over to that in just a second. I just want to make sure that you see some of the other items that are on the website, talk you through those so that you are familiar with what I'm looking for and asking. So direct link here for you so that you can head on out to the website, to that Science Friday website, and see what it's all about. And then at the bottom is the preview for your assignment this week. So what I'm asking you to do is to, of course, go into Google Classroom and use the Google Slides document that's posted there. What I'm asking you to do is to respond to your reflection questions that come from the Science Friday website using Google Slides. So this is a shared document, meaning that every student will be in this document. It is not unique to you. So any change that you make, please make sure that it is not changing the work of others, okay? Super important that you are not deleting the work of others. I've already inserted some slides, some blank ones for you. So you go in and type in your name in the title. You'll see the directions here say all of that. Type your name in the title and then include your reflection questions and answers from the website. I'm going to show you those in a second, but I want you to see this example so that it's in your brain. If the slide that you started typing on, if that slide does not have enough room for you to include all parts of your reflection, please feel free to go ahead and start a second slide. But make sure that your name is on there. See, I even put, part 2. That way you have enough space to include whatever you want. If you took pictures because you did the experiment part of it and you got to enjoy all of that fun tactile stuff, send me your pictures. You're welcome to include a video and insert that into here as well. Some of your Flipgrid videos, getting your parents involved with the kitchen science stuff. I giggled so hard at that. I'm enjoying this part of these assignments, seeing what is happening at home. So onto the Science Friday website. I want to make sure that I show this to you. And you know what? I'm going to show it to you through our website so that you don't have to click out. If you choose to, that's fine. Otherwise, right here into the website, I have the page included. So all you have to do is scroll. There's information at the top. Yes, you do need to read through this. This is going to help you understand what you're doing and why. There's always a purpose for things. Enjoy the videos. They're not too long. If you would like to listen to the podcast segment, you are welcome to. I'm not saying you have to. But here's the first one. Conduct a mucus experiment. Remember from the title on the other page. So here are the steps, the directions, the things that you need to do. And then at the bottom of that, oh look, slime reflection. So these are the prompts for you. to complete on the Google Slides document. And then you'll notice here, slime, a mucus model. Back from the other page, this is the second option. All of the directions and information are here. And then at the end, ta-da, reflection questions. And then the last one, mucus in nature, there is another video for you so that you can look at this organism. Sorry, gross is the only word that comes to mind. I would not want to touch that thing. And then, oops, right here, ta-da, reflection questions. All right, so options for you, do what you need to that best fits you. Some of the questions, like at the bottom of the one with the mucus in nature, it was asking about, you know, think about the 3 slime model, the 3 slime recipes. Look at the pictures above. I know that you didn't make those because you were choosing this option here at the bottom. So I understand that you wouldn't have had that. Please don't let that hold you back from completing this or thinking that you did something wrong. You guys have the links to my office hours. Let me know if you have questions or concerns. I do hope you get to enjoy this Science Friday activity, and I'll see you guys on the other side.